Adidi, ano niya? Asa man adidi? Adidi niya.
Ganun ka niyo? Chris?
Napakagawa ko ng ni Daddy yung kanyang food cart.
Oh, madidi. Asa madidi?
Parang nakapag-inayang kainin, Daddy. Alright, happy birthday, baby Ezekiel! Again to everyone. I know everybody are excited. Again, just relax, sit back, and take it easy. Later on, we will start a program. Also, we're going to eat our lunch. Yes, we're going to eat our lunch. Our foods are ready. Yes. And now, everybody, let's give a big round of applause to baby Ezekiel! Together with the handsome daddy and beautiful mommy. Again, everyone, clap for them! And let's welcome our new visitors and guests around there. Welcome. A picture first with Lola. Another Lola. Let's take picture.
Uy, Lola.
Yes. And Lola, let's take picture. Yay. And a picture first while we are waiting. Rose net. Bakit ay siya yung net? Hindi mo na kailangan magamit ng hair net because na siya yung net. Rose net. Rose net. Ay, bulaklak na may net. Diba? Ayan. Ay, hi! Si N55. Rose net, pila edad? 19. Parang ano na, 12. Hindi halatang 19. Ano ka lang pala, hindi ka na minor. And, what are your, pinagkakaabalahan? Ano yung pinagkakaabalahan? Ano mo sabi sa'yo pinagkakaabalahan? Sir JC, ano mo sabi sa'yo pinagkakaabalahan? English na, ano yung pinagkakabisihan? Ay, ito ba? Also sa, sa store. Ayan. And, ikaw ang tagalista. Nasa pa yung ballpen diri. Anong kinalista mo? Mga utang? Akala ko mga utang. Ayan. Pwede mo bang utang? Ay, baka walang utang. Ano? Walang utang. Pero, napos siya yung ballpen diri. Okay. Now, are you ready? Ready? Okay, ready. Happy birthday, Ezekiel. Ang count is your friend, Cathy. Ready? Go!
Happy birthday, baby
Wait a minute. Nag-usap pa kayo dalawa? Ikaw ha? Parang nag-usap kayo, parang 70 seconds ha? Ay, palakpakan! Ay, 17 seconds. Ay, up! Ay, kisa pa. Ay, over there, si Kuya, sa kabla. Kuya, dali. Ayan, dali. Ano, where? Di maulaw. Ayan, dali, ayan. Ay, oh, guwapo. Ay, guwapo. Ay, hello. Ayan. Ay, kilala kita. Ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit naghiwalay si Maris at Rico. Ay na kay Maris? Kaya kay Maris? Maris Rusi. Ay, what's your name? Ay, ikaw sa mga issue. Okay. Oh, what's your name?
Prince Steven Liti.
Oh, mga pati, you are a prince. Ay, over there, a lord. Lord Cedric. Over there, prince. Hindi na maulaw. Gwapo yung maulaw. Ayan. And pinaitan?
17.
17. And, what grade?
Grade 11.
Ay, grade 11. Ay, hi! Oh, later you will have a prize, okay? Let's go first to Kuya Prince. Kuya Prince, are you ready? Kuya Prince, ready? Happy birthday, Ezekiel, ready? Go!
Happy birthday, baby Ezekiel. 10 seconds lang, Kuya. What's happening, Kuya Prince? Ay, wait a minute. I think napunta over na bisita. Wait a minute. Ay, you join over here na rin. Come on. Hindi maulaw. Ayan, we are here to party. Ay, kung na ay gwapo, na ay kung sa gwapa. Dali gwapa, dali. Ayan. Oo, sana ganyan din ako gwapa. Dali gwapa. Ayan. What's your name? Again? maging mabilis na. Lay your heart. Parang may puso. And how old are you?
16 years old.
Oh, 16. Wow, sweet 16. Okay. And play your heart. You are grade 10. You are batchmate of Kuya Prince. Ayan. Mag-classmate mo? Kuya Prince, hindi mo batch schoolmate, no? It's not schoolmate. Pero batchmate mo kasi siyempre ng batch. Kasi grade 11 din siya. You're also grade 11. Alright, now, are you ready? Yes. Now, you need to greet. Where's baby Ezekiel? Birthday. You need to greet baby Ezekiel. Happy birthday, Ezekiel. Ready? Our contribute is Ate Kat and Ate... Again, what's your name, Ate? Ate Roseland. Sila 17 seconds. Dapat you wait na. Ready? Go!
Happy birthday, Zika!
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, 11. Oy, sita grade mo. 11. Grade 11. Palakpakan to, thank you so much, Leia Hart. Oh, I think also we're gonna have our next game on report that. Let's go first our winners. And why winners? Because we're gonna get winners for our adults. We're gonna get winners for our I think 3 categories also for our big kids and to our small kids. The winners are adults is Ate Kat and Ate Roseland. And ang winners ating big kids is Pia. And also the winners for small kids is Yasi and her little sister. What's the name baby girl? Come on, Pia, come here, Pia. Pia, Yasi and her little sister. And of course, come over here. Go. 1. Come on. 3.
Kami na nga si ate.
Happy birthday, Zika!
Ay, nag-video okay mo sa Christmas party, no? Napao siya sa kanta, napao siya. Sorry. Anong kalan?
Ismael Sibilian.
Again?
Ismael Sibilian.
What? Ismael? Aba, Pinoy na Pinoy ang no? Ismael. Ismael, pala edad?
21.
21. Ayan. Study?
No.
No. Nanay Obra?
Trabaho.
Trabaho. Anong work? Come on, don't be shy. It's okay. Anong work?
Sa IT store.
Sa
IT store na trabaho.
sa store. Okay. And, of course, nanay asawa.
No.
Wala. Uyang.
Taa.
Ay! Asa.
Wala na rin.
Wala din. Okay. Okay na. Ayan. Siyempre, yan for inspiration. Okay? Ayan. Now, are you ready? Okay, again. I think ang count natin is Ate Kat. 17 seconds sa ating mga big kids. Ay, sa inyong mga big sa adults. Okay? Ready? Okay. Happy birthday, Ezekiel. Ready? Go! Oh, you can hold the microphone. Go! You can do it.
Happy birthday,
Ay, si Ate Kat pa rin ang ating high score sa ating adult. 16 siya, 17 si Ate Kat. Oh, Yasi. Sir? Yasi Freshman. Correct? Yasi Faye. Oh, Yasi, how old are you? Ilan na edad mo? How old are you? Oh, 4. She's 4. 1 year lang nila. 4 and 3 years old. And our baby, of course, your little sister want to be a dancer. How about you? What do you want when you grow up? Ano ganahan mo? What do you want? Dance also. Wow. Oh, I think later you will dance apathy. You know apathy? Oh yes! Now, let's go to the game. Happy birthday, Ezekiel. Ready? Go!
Happy birthday.
It's okay, one more time. Happy birthday, Ezekiel. Ready? Go!
Happy birthday, Ezekiel.
2, 3, 4, 1. kaibigan. Nakamoy na kaibigan. Ako yung nakamoy. Ay, pila score ni Yasi, pila? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4. Ano ganahan mo? Ganahan mo maging doctor, nurse, dancer? Ay, dancer! Ay, clap your hands! Yay! Now, let's go to our game. Happy birthday, Ezekiel! Ano ha? Taas ha? Ready? Go! Happy birthday, Ezekiel.
Happy birthday, chicken.
One.
Happy birthday, chicken.
Two.
Happy birthday, chicken.
Three.
Happy birthday, chicken.
Four.
Happy birthday, chicken.
Five.
Happy birthday, chicken.
Six.
Happy birthday, chicken.
Seven.
Happy birthday, chicken.
Eight. Nine. 10! Ay, parang bakan! 10 seconds, do it!
May premium yun lagi.
Naipremyo na naipremyo. Hindi mag-ulaw. Oo. Bawal ang ulang-ulaw sa party. We are here to enjoy. And bilang is first birthday si Kel, kailangan happy ang tanan. Okay? Ay, palakpakan to our handsome kuya over here. What's your name, kuya? Huwag din maulaw. Ayan, hindi maulaw. What's your name? What's your name? Uy, come on! Oh, dako ang tabi, tapos gamay ang voice. Ay, dali ka man. Ready? What's your name? Okay. Uy, wow! Di ba ang napakagwapo ng name? Para siya yung ano, yung mga in the castle, yung parang mga prinsipe, di ba? Lord Cedric. Hi! Di ba? Ganyan yung mga name sa mga ano, di ba? Yung mga lords, di ba? Yung mga prince, mga kings, Lord Cedric, how old are you? Nalimod ka kung pinakakailan? Bata ka pa, malimod ka na. How old are you? 12 years old. You are grade 6. Ay, hindi ba ulaw? Oh, it's also our relatives. Mga relatives sila, lola, mga mama, papa. Mga relatives na hindi maulaw, okay? Our count to beat is Atikan. 17 seconds. You need to beat that. Okay, ready? Happy birthday, Ezekiel! Like that, ha? Patakasay niya. Ready? You just don't, you hold the microphone. Ready, go!
Happy birthday, Ezekiel!
What happened? 6 seconds only. I mean, water. Okay. 6 seconds, but don't worry, ayan. Okay na, Kuya Lord Cedric, okay na? Tignan niyo ng water. Ayan. Okay, now, this a cute little girl over here. I want you know, syempre because we have little kids, we have not the mga big mga ate kuya. There are two categories for our small kids and our big kuya and ate. Okay? Now, are you ready? What's your name? Complete name! I love it! Wow, pang Miss Universe ang kanyang introduction. What is your only nickname? Your nickname? Uy, pang Miss Universe. Pia. Diba? Pang Miss Universe. Pia, yung face over there para everybody can see how pretty you are. And I love your face paint. It's a flowers and I enjoy you are next, okay? Hi! Now, Pia, what do you want when you grow up?
A businesswoman.
Wow! Businesswoman. Don't worry. Lolo and your Lola will give you a puhunan. Businesswoman ganahan niya. Okay. Now, are you ready? Okay, ready? You hold the microphone. Ready? Happy birthday, Ezekiel. Go!
Happy birthday, Ezekiel! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tama siya'y pahabol. Ay, palakpakan to, Pia. But,
Ang kanyang highest score is 9 seconds. O, kasi nag-stop siya sa 9, hindi nagbalik siya. Oh, ito kami. Come here, pretty girl. Oh, ay, you first, come here. You join, hi, so cute. You are next, ate, you are next. Over here. What's your name? Ano ngalan mo? Ang ngalan niya is 3. How old are you? 3. Wow. What's your name? What? Janice? Janice de Belen. Hello, Janice. Janice, now you are 3 years old. Oh, what birthday is it, girl? Come on with energy. Happy birthday, Ezekiel. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, this time, baby Ezekiel, blow the stage from the beautiful mommy Iris. Clap your hands.
Hello, good morning inyo tanan. Thank you kayo sa pag-anhi diri bisag gamay na jud na tungod aning ulan-ulan. Thank you kayo sa pag-celebrate sa uyog namo sa first birthday sa among youngest son. So, thank you. Manigunto na ta.
Hey, okay, palakpakan. Now, mommy, who is the one to lead our prayer? Can I request, I think one of the Lola or I think mom. Mention pa more. Ati mo ikaw din ka happy. Dapat smile. Yan. Ati, gabi ka ano. Crispy shoes. Gabi ang pahanin. Go.
Happy birthday.
Oh, also over here we have Bruce over here. Ayan. Ay, bibigyan ka ako na. Ano rin ka po? Teka po, lumahirin lang kasi. Kala naman. Tapos kayo ang hair niya. Kala ko, girl. I go eat. And later, we're gonna do magic. How about yakay boss mong charity o fruits rugby kapon? Ay, balik ka. Balik ka siya. Ang appetizer niya, fruits. Ay, gano'n pala si Gwen. Parang sexy. Parang sexy. Go, let's face it. Later ako. Natay chicken curry, beef. Natay kumba. Natay kumba. Ayaw ka sinulo. Talaga niya sudan. Ako din ako na din. Uy, laki naman kaayo lang tayo. Ano pa, kaya naman mag-enjoy with magic. You like magic? We're gonna do magic. You like focus, open your eyes, and don't blink, okay? Now let's do it. Happy birthday, baby Ezekiel. Open your eyes, Elijah, open your eyes. Open your eyes.
because it's free. Again. Don't close your eyes. What is the color? Now, what are the colors? Now, you want more? All right, you want more? Yes. But before we continue to our next magic, I'd like to welcome all our new visitors and guests there. Hello and good noon. Hi there, welcome. And again, let's enjoy our lunch. Over there is our buffet. And if you need something like water, you can ask our waiters or our catering. Enjoy everyone. Now, let's go to the next magic. Are you ready? If you are ready, you shout, "Happy birthday, baby Ezekiel." 1, 2, 3, shout! Oh, I love it. Now, let's go to the next magic. Now, let's go in this one. You know what is this? Yes, these are no giants. Yeah. Now, look. What is in my right hand? What is this? The king, and what is this? A black spade. How about in my left hand? A queen, and what is this? Heart. Now focus because this magic is so very fast, okay? Focus, look. I'm gonna put this queen red heart here into my right and the king here into my left in just only 3 seconds. Now everybody count. 1, 2, 3. You see? It's transferred. What? It's not magic? It's not magic? Dili magic? Dili mo mauwat, ha? Okay. I know. Because it's not magic because I cross my arms. Okay. I'm not gonna cross my arms. Again, look. I'm gonna put this here into my right, this one into my left, in just only 3 seconds. Not crossing my arms. Ready, count!
1, 2, 3.
You see? It's transferred. Huh? No? It's not magic? Huh? Because I turn back? That's not magic. Wow, very superior. Okay, I think the real magic is when I put this queen into my right hand and the king into my left hand in just only 1 second. It's not the magic. Already, count!
1, 2.
Now, it's transferred in my right hand. The key is in my left hand. Now, clap your hands! Okay. Now, one more. I know. Now, let's go to our next magic. Now, this is my black envelope.
And this is big. Now, what is the color? Okay, now what are the colors? Okay, now look, I'm gonna put it inside of my small magic bag, the blue, yellow, and red. Now, you know what is this?
Two.
No, these are fingers. But I'm gonna use this to cut inside. Again, what are the colors? Okay. Now, it's cut. Now, everybody blow.
Look.
In my next magic, I need a volunteer. I need high school or college. Ayan. I think over there si Kuya Prince. Kuya Prince, did you volunteer? I clap your hands to Kuya Prince. Or handsome Kuya. Di ba? Okay, Kuya over here. Ayan. Again, Kuya, how old are you? 17. Ay, wait a minute. Wait, move backward. Are you sure you are 17?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Wait a minute. 17 years old. 38 years old. What happened to myself? Why are you taller than me? Oh, I know your secret. It's 3 times a day. Drink vitamins, correct? You don't drink vitamins? Why are you tall? Wow, what is your secret? Why are you tall? Stretching! Wow! Always ako ka-stretching! Oh. Pero wala ako ng taas. Oh. Anong sport mo? Ay, si Patakraw! Di ba si Patakraw ganito? Ano? Ay. Example lang si Patakraw. Si Patakraw, go! Wala ko na ako, taas kayong hula. Parang pa, bihira yung nagatula ng si Patakraw. Di ba? Mostly basketball, volleyball, ayan. Di ba ang ating ating pamansang laro is si Patakraw? Di ba? Am I correct? Yes! Our national sports are si Patakraw. Yeah. Now Elisha, look, Kuya and I will do magic, okay? Kids, ganahan niyo si Kuya Prince mahimong baki? Ganahan niyo? I think no daw, no. The judges said no. I think it did. Pwede rin atras na para makita ng tanan. Para makita nila kung gano'ng kagawa po. Kuya, asa ka ng school?
Sa Enzo Nicolai.
Again, sa asa?
Enzo Nicolai.
Enzo
Nicolai Davis High School.
Wow. Ako, I graduated at Harvard. Harvard Boulevard. Now, let's go to the magic. Kids, in this magic, let's try if Kuya Prince is very good in reading. Are you very good in reading? Yes, and reading is so very important. Dapat ka marunong magbasa.
Di ba? Example, when you travel, para hindi ka mawala, hindi ma-lost, you need to read the location, the map. Very good, Pia. Uy, right si Pia. Yes, the map. And, syempre, di ba, para hindi mawala, dahil direction. Oo. Dapat ka marunong din sa direction. And, dapat ka marunong magbasa. And if reading is important. O, di ba? And, how about it? Basta kuya para makita nila over there. Now, these are the cards. Kuya, you use the microphone. You're the one to hold the microphone. Now, you use it, okay? Ready? Okay, let's try. If Kuya is very good in reading. Now, Kuya, read.
Education.
Again.
Education.
Oh, you're good. Yeah. Again, everybody read. Education. You see that? Over there. It's education. And you know what? Education is a very important case, okay? For our future. And that's why we need to study in the school. How about this one?
Good science.
Again? Now it's conscience. Yes, what is the word? Conscience. Okay. Now how about this one?
Maintenance.
Oh, what is the word? Oh! Oh, don't forget your maintenance. Ay, sa mga nagkaon ng leksyon, ang Luzaitan. Ayan ang malimot, maintenance. How about this one?
Applause.
Again?
Applause.
Everybody, let's give a big round of applause. Come on, Kuya. Now, it's time for magic. Now look, I'm gonna use my magic eyes. These eyes. I'm gonna transfer my eyes to Kuya Prince. Kuya Prince, are you ready to receive my eyes? Why are you laughing? Is there something problem in my eyes? Yeah? Now I'm gonna transfer these eyes to Kuya Prince. Kuya Prince, are you ready? No! Be ready! Don't worry. I'm just gonna put this into your brain. Now it's in your brain, going through your ear, your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your esophagus, small intestine, large intestine, going to your ear. Let's try if Kuya Prince can read again. Now, Kuya Prince, read.
Perseverance.
Again.
Perseverance.
Louder, louder.
Perseverance.
Kuski, kuski.
Perseverance.
Spell mo, spell.
Perseverance.
What is that?
Perseverance.
Everybody, Ma'am Charity, read. Everybody read. Everybody read. Perseverance. You can read there. Hala, Kuya, what happened to your eyes again? Read. Hala, wala ka na makabasa. Lipat ka na! This one. Easy word. Read. You hold it. Baka tulito mo na ako. Read. Sige, read. Ikaw na mag-hold, ha? Read it. You can read it. Come on. You can do it. Let's read. Walang basa? Spell mo lang, spell.
Perseverance.
Anong word na? You hold it. Now you are the one to show the card to them. Everybody, read. Everybody read? Playwright, read. They can read. Everybody read. Hala! Read. Hala! Wala ka na makabasa! Grade 11 ka na, wala ka pa na magbasa! This one, you are the one to read in your mind, ha? Don't read it loudly, just read it in your mind, okay? Ready? And, it's 2. Sala, read. Okay, just in your mind, okay? Just in your mind. Nabasa nyo na, Daddy? Nabasa mo, Daddy? Over there. Mga SB19, nabasa na? Okay. How about over here? You read it? Mommy! Just read it in your mind. Over there, nabasa na? Okay, now I'm gonna give the card. You are the one to read. Read.
Experience.
Eh, narinig mo yung mami. Ay, spell mo. Sige, spell. 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 Ay, spell mo.
ESQPRIOC.
Oh, yun na. Again, spell. Spell.
ESQPRIOC.
IQ? Well, IQ! No, you read. Read.
Experience.
Eh? Spell mo, spell. Yung kamay ko po, spell. Spell.
Hinay lang.
ESQPRIOC.
Ha? Now, read.
Experience.
Eh! Ano ba si Mami? Spell mo again. Spell mo. Bakit may S? Na-I-S? 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 Na-I-Q? Ha? Na-I-S? Na-I-Q? Wala! Wala, kuya! What happening to your eyes? Oh, wala yung S, wala yung... Ala, naliban ka na! This one! Again! Mami, don't shout it on another. Okay. Now, just read it in your mind. Read it up. Okay, and now, you are the one to read. You can do it. It's very easy word.
Close.
Again. Spell mo, spell.
APULSOS.
Ha! Oh, read mo.
Close.
Spell.
APULSOS.
A-P-U-L-S-O. Ano? Apulsos mo na? Again, spell.
APULSOS.
A-P-U-L-S-O. Apulsos! Again, read.
APUL.
Read mo, basa ha.
Close.
Upload ang basa niya, pero spell.
APULSOS.
Ha! A-P-U... Wala, naliman ka na! Bakit A-P-U-L? Wala! Dapat A-P-P, double P. Anong A-P-U-L? O, di ba? Everybody read? Let's take our round of applause. Okay, don't worry. I'm gonna put back you in normal, okay? Now I'm gonna get again my magic. Now I'm gonna put it back. Now it's back. Now it's back. Now, let's try if we can read again. Now, read.
Education.
Spell.
EDUCATIO.
Hoy, normal na siya! Ito, yung kanina. Kanina to. Kanina. Basta.
Close.
Spell.
APPLAUS.
Normal na siya! Ay, palakpakan. Wait. You know what? The truth is, Kuya Prince is normal. Ako lang talaga abnormal. Because of that, I'm gonna give you something. It's over here. Let's give something to Kuya Prince because nag-volunteer si Kuya Prince. Kuya Prince, are you ready? Now it's yours. A surprise for you. Get it. Go. Sorry, tita. Sorry. Nalipod ko naman sa sorry mga tita. Sorry. Uy, wala siya na Kuya Juan, ha? Wow, you are brave. Isog ka? Hindi ka isog? Pag dili, bayad ka. Isog ka?
Oo.
Dapat isog na. Mga boys, dapat isog ka. Hindi mo bayad-bayad. Now, get the snake there. Charan! Oh, it's a big snake! Ay, wait a minute. Muslot. Wait, asa lang snake? Nawala ka ng snake.
Nag-stick na ka.
Wala na snake. Siyempre, because it's birthday of baby si Kel and also it's a holiday now. It's not on vacation and a holiday because Christmas is coming and New Year. Now I'm gonna give you a present. And you will love it. Kailangan rin kwarta. You like money? Yes? Pag sure. Kailangan ka. Oh, get it. Tchadan! Ay, wait. Wala yung kwarta. Don't worry. Ayan.
Sir, kawala ko dato ka, sir. Donation. Parang, kuya, donation. Ay, nasa bangko. Madam. Bawas ang pension. No, I'm not accepting coins. I'm accepting also blue bill only. Blue bill with 3 zeros. Don't add joke lang. Ay! Madam Jokra! Because si Madam Jokra. Dito sa mga gwapo. Pag mga gwapo daw na-record na. Gwapo dili. Dili ka na kailangan maghatag. Wala, mga gwapo, wala yung kwarta. Kailangan ka ng kwarta. Bumatik ka ng kwarta. Go! Nine magic words. Kids, what is the magic words? You don't know the magic words is Mekus, Esophagus. Mekus. Ay, napay-pena na. Oh, I know you like it. Ay, naganaman pa rin sa 100. O, napay-payon volcano. Now, you like it? You get it. Okay, you can touch. Oh, or you can get it. Pass. Are you ready? Pass. Uno, dos, tres, pass. Kuha sa sunod. Asa na? Kuha. Sa sunod, kuha. Ay! Nawala?
Nawala lagi.
Ano? Kung ibulsa mo. Ibulsa mo wala. Dire? Try natin. Again, the magic words. Mekus, Esophagus. Mekus. Pas pagsunod ko okay? Are you ready? Uno. Three, go! Sunod! Naula! Pas. Uno, dos, tres! Dali. Nawala. Pero kailangan ng 100. Kailangan ng kwarta. Trabaho ka. Nagtrabaho mas kilayo. Para may kwarta. Sige, kung ganahan ka, you need to say the magic words. What is the magic words? Dali. Go!
Mekos.
Mekus, Esophagus.
Mekos, Esophagus.
Reverse.
Esophagus, Mekos.
Ay, galing. Charan! Ay, clap your hands. That is yours. What will you say?
Thank you.
Pizza.
Bibi.
Ako lang magic, ay bibisig ka ng thank you. Ako lang magic, sa uwan na mag-thank you. Ay hatag ka, for you. What will you say?
Thank you, Bibi.
Ako naghahatag, ay bibisig ka ng thank you. Ay, sa bagay, correct si Kuya. Tama siya, eksakto. You need to say thank you to Baby Ezekiel because gikan na sa payment. Bayaran naman ako ni Mami. Si Mami ang nagbayad, hindi si Baby Ezekiel. Ano sabi mo kay Mami Irish?
Thank you, Ate Irish.
And?
Bibi Ezekiel.
May kulang.
Wala na.
Hindi naman kulang. Sabi mo, kay Ate Irish, kulang pa rin. Hindi naman kulang. Hindi ka pinasuhan. Ay, palakpakan ng Kuya Prince na video si David. That is from Baby Ezekiel. Thank you. You also like money? Kaya mo ni Korta? Isa ka namin Korta! Ano kay Papa nyo? Hindi ka ko Papa. Alright. Let's welcome our new visitors. Ayun over there. And again, nagkatapag ka on there, ha? Mag-enjoy lang. And, dapat tayo mga sweets diri. You can get while doing magic. And also ice cream. animal you like? What? Okay. Again? What animal you like? What animal? What? Oh, you like bunny? Oh, bunny. I'm gonna try my best, okay? Now, let's do the magic. Are you ready?
Yes!
Are you shout? Happy birthday, Ezekiel!
Happy birthday!
Cute, hello.
Touch me, touch.
Now, what? The bunny is so cute? It's so cute? How about the magician? Cute. Now, who likes rabbit? You like rabbit? Palit mo. So, we okay. You know what? Because it's birthday of Ezekiel, that's why this bunny is for our birthday boy, Ezekiel. But, because Ezekiel is just only a baby, because baby Ezekiel, happy birthday! This is yours. But, because baby Ezekiel is just only a baby, hindi niyo ba makatake care ng bunny? That's why this bunny will go to his sister, Elisha. Come on. Bigyan yung help ng Elisha. Okay. You see? Oh, she's so happy. Elisha, that is yours, Elisha. And with your baby brother. Oh, you can put it there. Yes. Okay. Oh, you like also rabbit?
Yes!
You like also rabbit?
Yes!
You invite me on your birthday. You know what, kids? I'm gonna explain. I'm gonna explain why the bunny is for baby Ezekiel and to Ate Elisha. Because, you know, wala mo kabalo? Because ang kwarta naging, the money that I use na ipalit ang bunny, gikan sa mommy nila. From the baby.
Saan ba naman yung putang?
But don't worry, kids. You like bunny?
Yes!
Yes? You buy. I think you just wish it to our Lord God, and in the right time,
you will also have a bunny. Okay? Sorry, only one bunny I can magic in a day. Yes, and of course, I say hi to my dog. Say hi. Sorry, I can't give my dog because I trade them. And I can't give my, I love them. Alright, and of course, that is all my magic for the first birthday of baby Ezekiel. Oh, wait a minute. Don't go away because we're gonna play games. You like play games? Yes. Okay, let's play games. And of course, again, the one that will win will have a prize. Okay. Now, our game for now is, let's go for the trivia games. Ang maka-answer na ay prize. Very easy game. Again, ang maka-answer na ay premyo. But before that, everybody first say bye-bye to the dog. Say bye-bye. Okay. They're gonna sleep now. Alright. Now, are you ready for the trivia game? Are you ready for the trivia game? Okay. Now, let's go to the first question. My first question is, where is baby Ezekiel born? Asa tigpanganak. Asa, come on, ma'am. Dali ka mo. Ayan, nag-raise na ang hand si ma'am. Come over here, ma'am. Yes. Tingnan sa pwede mo. Come on, ma'am. Dali. Ayan. Ay, later mo picture ka also diri ha. After my game, picture tayo. Before our birthday, boy will distribute na lang bag. Ma'am, asa tigpanganak o para si baby Ezekiel? Dumaguete, probinsya. Naging probinsya na Dumaguete. Lord Cedric, pila na nagka ulan? Pila na ulan? Bago na eh? Pilaw. Lantaw ko kung bago, na-spell ko bago ha. Strong, like native coffee. Wala smell bago labang. Congratulations, Lord Cedric. Let's. Kikat ka sa taas, pumunta sa baba. Let's go sa middle. Ano gigamit ka sa middle? Bako, very good, very good.
Ayaw kapit sa libo.
Ayaw na po sa kay may kinabuhi din na.
Hindi pa niya kapit.
Oh, may kinabuhi din na, hindi pinatulaan.
Ibutan na sa kids.
Agay! Peta!
Bait ha?
Sila ka kita nabibira ning apple. Dari mo bibi. Uwagasan sa atin. Ugasi kita pa ni bibi. Ugas mo ya uy nang ulan.
Hi, I'm the little lamb. Jumping. Huy. Listen na lang. May mapusa na grabe. Loko.
Ayaw ate.
Yan kinamauno. Yakumoton.
Ano lang, touch lang. Murog na lang.
Let's go, Elisha. Oy, engineer, sayaw. Wala ka sayaw si engineer. Yan. Oy, magkumpanyero, magsayaw mo na lang. Dali, yan. Ang magsayaw na ay premyo. Dali. O, na-remote mo, stop dance me. Miss Kristen. Oy, engineer! Napay punto sa road project, wala na. Wala na, sige, sit down na. At wala na yung, wala na yung pondo. Ang foreman also, sit down ang foreman. Ate, okay lang mo dala. And joke lang. Elisha, stop, please. Like a mannequin, like a statue. Ay, very good ang Tres Marias, Wow, kakadlabi. Wow. Ay, sa smiling face. Ang mag-move out. Yes. Ay. Ikaw, Mayor, okay lang? Okay lang si Mayor. Ayan. The secretary. Hello, secretary. Secretary. Go! Naingit si Kuya, nasayaw din. Nawala ko dancer ka, dali. Ay, dali. Ay! Go! Sayaw! Yes, come on, ready? Bitin mo, no? Uy, ang galing. Ano yan? Ano ba manicure ka? Uy, si Elisha also very good kaayo. Wala siya nagamo. Ay, mga boys, what happened sa inyo? Ay, siya yung yung mannequin na nagamo. Ano siya? Ay, Mayor, huwag mo, alam mga bodyguard mo, wala na mo. Ay, ang good ng mga girls. Very good ang mga girls, naka-formation pa sila. Go! Ay, ang galing. Wait a minute. Don't move. Ang mag-move out. And because of that, of course, umana ang program mo, ulit na ta. Don't move. Let's go. Jazz music ta. Yay! Ay, sabi na dapat tayo ice cream over na sa kananin ice cream ko.
Si Lance/Layton ng Disney Pixar's Inside Out.
Kabala ko!
Nag-Filipino na!
Ay! Ay, si Mayor! Di ba? Ay, ang gagaling na. Ay, palakpakan! Ay, wala mo sila yung freestyle, I love it! Oh, yung gagaling pala mga dancer. Go, girls! Ay, okay, Elisha is very... Wow! Nasa yung mga side steps, ha? Ayan, ikaw ba mamaya nagtutlo? Go! Go, Major! Ay, si Engineer, nagsayaw na. Very good, si Engineer. Go, Engineer! Okay. Ay, everybody clap your hands. Because of that, all of you are winners. Yeah. I think yung ating giveaways. Ayan. And after this, picture na with our official photographer over here. Before, ayan, I think Mommy and Ate Elisha, you have your mommy to distribute the giveaway. Ay! Ate Priya, okay na, winner na mo. Ay! Winner!